doing something a little bit different today. Bring you guys inside. I got some rain going on out there, and I'm just gonna try to get this all prepped and ready to go back on the bike. So we got the head here, the GT6. Took this off, cleaned it up, got the 3-prong spark plug in there that's typical for a scooter. We got the steel sleeve here, and it looks pretty good. Really nothing to report. I had cleaned the inside of the transfers, just matched them on both sides. I added a little nick in each corner just to help the snarl effect. As you may be able to see here on the piston, it does show it accurately coming on top, so everything's functioning there pretty good. I do have a lip on the top of the transfers where the steel sleeve overlaps and it comes back up through, kind of creating a little pocket there. Not super happy about that, but it doesn't seem to be affecting anything super bad. So what I got here, I just went and picked up some gasket maker, some ultra copper. We're gonna be installing the windowed piston, taking that one out. I'm supposed to have the chrome rings in here later today, so we'll be putting those on, and if that doesn't come in the mail for some strange reason and have to wait, may just wait till tomorrow. If not, I'll transfer these rings on to the other piston, since they're already kind of familiar with the setup and where they want to be. You got the reed block here, the carbon fiber pedals. I had adjusted those yesterday. The tiniest little bit of a gap on one of these here. I thought about maybe trying to get a little piece of metal and make a bigger hold for these, just to give it a little more pressure to the very top. But we'll see how it tunes, and if we have to do that later on, we'll go to that. But these are all pretty much on there, nice and flush and closed. And I had this running a couple of times before. You can see some of the wear that's left there from either the ethanol or just firing it. So we're going to take that with the 800 grit sandpaper, and we're going to clean that up. And I've also got the case here, the valve itself. I'm going to use the I believe this is 200, it might be 400 actually. We're gonna just go over this edge real quick, and we'll switch to this after, and then we'll try to start getting this airtight. So anyway, this is a scale from a store. It's got a thick glass plane, you know, pressure proof, I don't want to say bulletproof, but some kind of a Pyrex base. Just gonna do some small circles and do maybe 8 or 10. We're gonna go just an eighth of a turn, so we're gonna go from here to here, you know, to here. Turn it again, just slowly. We don't have far to go. We're just trying to clean this up so it mates really well. Let me just grab a rag here. What happens is when you're doing this, shut this off so I'm not fighting with that. What happens here when you're doing this, the surface wants to stay covered. You just wipe it right off, and then it gives you a better purchase. So it looks pretty good. Like I said, we're just trying to clean that. I'm just gonna hold this one by hand. Tape it down. So it looks like the corners are actually just a little lower or higher. There's kind of just a minor dip in this that you can't really maybe make out, but this is clean, this area here, and then you can see there's still some machine marks in that. So, again, it's very, very minimal. These things do act kind of finicky at times, so we're going to try to get this as best as we can, just so we don't have any more issues afterwards. Kind of like that already. Here it's really grabbing the paper. Almost wants to whistle like fingers on a chalkboard. So, alright, on this side, do we need to do anything with this side? We probably really don't. We can, just for the sake of doing it, just to see what's going on. You can see already as I'm doing that, it's uneven because of the pressure on my hand, so but that's a little better there. And it's cleaning pretty quick. This one I don't want to go sideways so much. I don't have the surface area, so I just want to try to keep this straight if possible. You can see it's coming to the edges more than it is to the center, so